So this is the second problem of the chapter 8 and 7, the chapter 7 and 8 exam, which I will be, according to the thing, I will make a code. I will make Java into classes and test the code to keep track of the total numbers of vehicles in the oh, my bad. Parking lot. Your two codes, the introducer should be able to notice the customers, the number of available parking spots remaining for simplicity, blah blah blah. Alright, mine's kind of a more simple code. It doesn't really show the entrances. I tried to do that, but I mean, as long as it works. As I said before, I will be using the parking lot code I have created earlier. And in order to make this, I used the ticket sales code that you could find on the Canvas page. All right, enough. Oh, without any. My bad. I think after I upload these videos and the codes, I'm gonna go to bed because I've worked tomorrow too. Anyway, let's do this. Alright, this time I will not actually no. This time I'm gonna go ahead and make the parking lot code since they'll be a lot easier to make. First, my name is oh, excuse me. Dr. McCurry, and this is 0.02. This is technically a copy of the other code. It's just gonna done by scratch too. Forgive me for my yawning. I'm just recording this at taking parking spots there. Anyway, I'm just recording this at 12 o'clock at night. I have to haven't been able to do this week because I had 2 exams to do, but I got it all right. All right, public static final and total parking spots 20. Why is the number lock always weird? All right, so constructs a actually I think a parking lot with a 0 bounds will do. Since this is all pretty much modifying some code anyway. Public parking lot. Shit. Forgive me my language. Parking lot. Alright, and this will be the first, one of the subclasses I use. That's not what I wanted. Okay. Public void car enters n number of spots. This is a little concerning. The heck? The heck? Number of parkings. Huh. Parking is it doing this? Ugh. If it continues like this, it's gonna throw a whole cold code off. Oh, I swear I make more mistakes like this when I'm tired. I just forgot to put an underscore in between of and parking spots, and I hear a big noise right now. Please forgive me. It's just we have the core on, even though it's not currently working. Currently taking parking spots equals current taking parking spots. What else needs to go on there? Current taken minus number of taken. Oh, parking spots. Parking spots. Alright, so. Oh, darn. It's just, I kind of have this thing squished up to where I think what I might do, like, next time I do this, I just go, take pictures of this, take pictures of the code I've done on my phone instead of just, like, doing it back and forth on looking back and forth on my screen in between the two windows with the codes, well, the current code and the reference code. Right. Number X. This will track the number of parking spots that will have left the building. Burden taken parking spots. Taken parking spots. Oh wait, darn, that's not supposed to be there. This is. Number of parking spots. Alright, and the final thing here is public turn. Actually, no. Remaining parking spots. Alright, return total parking spots minus taken parking spots. Alright, taking parking spots. Taking parking spots. Boom, boom. File. Ugh. Hell? What? Oh! Man, it'll be where? You know, Java doesn't really tell you where the errors are. It'll just tell you that that error's there. It's kind of a pain in the butt. Still recording? Yeah, it is. Oh, excuse me. Anyway, for this, I'm just gonna go ahead and be a lazy butt, and the only thing I'll copy paste from the original code since I'm feeling a little bit lazy. I mean, not lazy enough to do the work, of course, but you get what I mean. Anyway, all right, and now to delete all that, and now public static void main string args parking lot first new parking. I should set up the first thing. First car enters 7, since 7 cars are, go into the lot. When this is done, it should show like all the free spot that remains in the first account, because that's easy. And I'm putting first account here because it's kind of an easier thing to keep check of, and the first return manning parking spots. I just got an idea. I mean, to be honest, a lot of these are just kind of very similar. A lot of these are very similar. Four, 5. All right, a lot of these are very similar. I just gotta like change around some values. It's just the thing about Java programming is once you have some like idea of what you're doing, you could kind of use like I don't know little tricks like this just to make like using some repeating code and like modifying just little bits and pieces of it just to make your life a lot easier. Alright. And I think that could be the same for regular programming too. First, oh yeah, shit. First, all right. They all came with an iron, darn them. Oh well. Actually, I think that was because. I think I don't know. Why did I just remember? I only remember some like some like old childhood show, like a baby's. No, it was a freaking baby show I saw. Suddenly had a movie where like for whatever reason it was like the villain of the movie was like redeemed twice. Maybe I just saw it twice and I don't know. Oh wait, no, he did get redeemed twice. Also, like, pretty interesting. Like, in that movie, like, I don't know, like a space alien or something just kind of goes into like the home planet of like the kid, the main character, where main character lives and all that. It's just like kind of freaking destroys the planet. I mean, it doesn't really matter that much since apparently these people on this planet are advanced enough to have like space travel and junk. But like, kind of sad to see the family like doing good without much problems and junk. Like, suddenly they gotta like nothing's good anymore. They gotta fend for themselves. I don't know. I don't know why I remember that when I should be talking about this stuff. Anyway, just all right. Just kind of compiling it again. Oh yeah, fourth. This is fourth, fifth, fifth. Compile. All right. All right. Uh, like anyway, with like I don't remember what to do with that like characters in the movie was like movie for like a baby show literally made for toddlers. I'm not kidding. Anyway, I don't know, maybe he's like had no friends or his family died or some combination of both or something. I don't know. It's like kind of a pirate guy, but also it's like an asshole, but is also like oddly sympathetic for whatever reason. I don't know. It's weird. Anyway, I compiled the code and this is what I get. First account 13, which is remain spots. First account 14, first account 6, first account 8, first account 2. Now, I'm pretty sure I can try to get this to say spots remaining instead of just like first account, since that's not all that accurate. So let me just get on over here. Just kind of whip up some magic. Boop, 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 boop. Remaining spots. So copy. Ugh. I don't know why I decided to just kind of talk about that unrelated thing out of nowhere. Like Vine sauce. Probably not even familiar with Vine sauce anyway. But anyway, I got this done, and let's just skedaddle on over to the Blue Jay thingamajigger here. Void main strain args, and we got it. We got it. Chapter 2, chapter exam 2, the chapter 6 and 7 exam. Seven and 8. I cannot speak tonight. Exam is done. It took a little while, some technical problems, and the memory of excuse me, old an old like movie for like a baby show I saw when I was like a toddler, but we got it. Yeah.